वास्को रेल्वे स्थानका वयलो कोयर इश्कोलाच्या कुशीच्या सुवातेर राशीक मारला। हाचो थळाव्यांनी आक्षेप घेतला। ह्या हळशीक वासान विद्यार्थ्यांक त्रास जाता म्हण कागाळ थळावे करतात। RDX गोवा खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा।
Coming on TV, giving press conferences, but they don't see the actual thing what is happening. Maybe they have appointed people to do it and those people are not doing their work, or maybe it is actually the minister's fault because they are not giving attention to the reality. In fact, they are just going around and advertising their parties and rulership and all that thing. So maybe that's all. The authorities should take action. I mean, municipality just here right across the bridge, they should do this. Stop the dumping totally. This whole thing should be removed and cleaned and made into a park or something. I mean, it's not that it's not a government property. It is. So let them do that. If they can beautify places which are already beautiful, why can't they do this here? It is much more required. Build a road. This is a very major issue because, I mean, even if they are dumping the garbage here, it should be collected daily and then dumped into the dump yard outside the city. But then that is not happening. And then, as per my knowledge, the municipality had prohibited the railway, I mean the contractor who is given the contract to clean the trains after they arrive at the station, to stop dumping the garbage and instead hand it over to the municipality vans, those who collect the garbage, and then they would dump it at the dump yard in Sada. But then that is not happening. I don't know for what reason. And then there's a school. This is the back behind of the Mata school. And then it is, I mean, it is obvious that the stench and everything would affect the students. That's all. I mean, look at the state. I mean, what more do you want me to say about it? It's like,
you got a midday meal.
Midday meals, I mean, yeah, if they are serving good quality food and then they are giving this smell along with it, I mean, who would want to eat in the school? You've seen the front of the school and this is the back of the school. I mean, what else? I mean, the education department should take concern and do something about it.
तुम्ही गार्बेज सगळं पळोवंक शकता हांगासर नियरबाय घरां आसा त्या लोकांक सुद्दां त्रास जाता हांगासर जी पावसान जी कंडिशन जी जाता हांगासर जे स्मेल येता तेतून कितकी दुयेंसां भायर पडोंक शकता कितकी हांगा सायडीकूच स्कूल आसा स्कुलांतले क्लासीस तुमी पळोवंक शकता हांगासर विंडोज दिसता थंयसर ते स्कुलांतली भुरगीं बसलेलीं आसता त्या भुरग्यांक कितको त्रास जातलो वासाचो तशेंच हांगासर इन्सेक्ट आसा जे मूस आसा मलेरिया आसा स्प्रेड करता हांगासर तशेंच हांगासर म्हणजे सोरोप तुमी हांगा जावं जिवाणी हांगासर पळोवंक शकता जे सायडीसून स्कुला त्या वाटेन वचून भुरग्यांक त्रास करूं शकता हे मातशें म्युनिसिपालिटीन जावं हांगासर कोणी जे कितें ऑफिशियल्स आसा हांगासरले तेंच्यांनी मातशें पळोवपाचें आनी हांगासरले कितें जे प्रॉब्लम आसा स्कुला बद्दल जावं लोकां कडेन जे कितें इश्यूज आसा ते हांगा तेंचे सॉल्व करपाचे इतलेंच हांव म्हणूंक सोदतां मिड डे मील सेकंडली भुरग्यांक जें जेवण येता बऱ्या भितरल्या पद्दतीन जेवण येता हांगासर जेवपाक जावं खावपाक अशें मिड डे तांकां खावपाचें येता जेवण येता हांव इतकेंच म्हणूंक शकता की ह्या असल्या कोयराच्या वासान कोण खंयचो भुरगो हांगासर बऱ्या भशेन पद्दतीन खावंक शकतलो कोण डंप करता आतां हे हांगासर रेल्वेचे ऑथॉरिटी म्हणटात की हांगा डंप करता म्हणून कचरो सगळो आतां तेंच्यांनी तो एक्चुअली म्युनिसिपालिटी कळ्यो दिवपा जाय हांगासर अशें स्कुला म्हटल्यार एटलिस्ट ते तरी चिंतून हांगासर डंप करपाक जायना
कोयराचो म्हणल्यार ताका सांगलें तो काय पयलीं कांय नासलेलें पयलीं तेंचे भितर आसलेलें कंपाउंडान भायर हें केलें आनी भितर येयले ते आतां आमचे थंय येयले कर तेणी तो वडयलाक म्हणल्यार वडयला आनी तें म्हणलें आमी घेतलो तो जागो घेतलो न्ही म्हणजे तुमी हाडत तरी हें कर आनी पत्री तरी लाया न्ही तशें कांयच करना ते हाडून उडयता ती घाण सुसूं जायना आनी तितून जिवाणी आनी ते उंदीर एक जाले आनी जळार जाले मच्छर खूब जाले सारकी सांगल्यार कशें आयकना तो वास सुद्दां तेंचो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर तो त्या परते आमकां सांगता पयर हांवें ताका तोंडाक लागले तो म्हणटा आमकां गाळी मारूंक तांकां शिकयता त्या कामगारांक सांगता म्हण ताका सांगलें तुका कितें दाखोवपा तें दाखयता मागीर ताजी हांवें सगळी व्हरोन दिल्लें ताजी बापूण पणजे म्हणपाक हें करता
कोण उडयता तो
कोण ते कामगार मरे ते सगळे ट्रेनीचे ते सांगले काय आयकना आमचे काय कितें आयक बसूना ते
सगळे ते रेल्वेचे पळय आहा पळय ते काम करता पळय न्ही ते हाडून थंय उडयता आनी ते थंयचो डम व्हरपा आमी खूब ताका सांगलां बाबा हांगासले ते गॅरेज तुमी व्हरा म्हणून ती नॉलेज घेयना कांय करना पळोवया म्हणटा तो ऑफिसांत वचून सांगलें
Council has been collecting the garbage from the platforms, not the bogies. It is brought to my notice that railways are dumping this garbage from the bogies near the Matthias school, Baina. And this has become a source of research to the students. I have been given to understand that even the midday meal which the students are taking, they cannot digest it, and there is lots of vomiting and discomfort to the students. So this menace has to be stopped. I will inspect the site today itself and see what preventive measures I can take.